Well, hello there. Welcome to Dashcam Lessons. Before we get into it, I notice only a small portion of you guys who watch are currently subscribed. So if you like my content and would like to know when a new video comes out, smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. Be the best decision you've ever made. Now let's get into it.
So you've got quite a lot of infighting over the stairs, isn't it?
And I've got to say, in all fairness, right, it is
God.
What a stupid driver is this? Did you see that?
Now leave the roundabout.
Guy left on Tuesday, he was having problems.
You sure the dog hasn't got COVID?
Dog ain't got COVID, Chris. He's got,
You're going to force... I can't go back. I've got, well...
he can't go back.
Yeah, but I have a car behind me.
Yeah, you need to go back.
We haven't got
Yeah,
a
we've
car.
got a car behind us.
We have a car behind me. Because I've got...
Yeah, we're going to have to go forward, Chris.
Let's go... If you move up there, I'll go
You can go
down
back
there.
over there, if you can get over a bit further.
Go back. Oh, I'm actually going to get out of the car and I'm going to smack him in a minute.
Hang on, Chris. I'll back you up.
Well, we've got cars together.
Right. Back it off to the right.
Yeah, there's cars together.
Fucking cunt!
But there's cars behind him as well. I can't go back any further.
What's he doing now?
I don't know.
Oh my days! I'm...
Oh, he's going back. Get back in. He's going back now. He's... Fucking road rage, isn't it?
Fucking will be in a minute.
If you go back, I can just see...
We could skip through here. Yeah, you're clear.
Wanker.
fucking nonce.
Wanker. Anything except for wait there. Fucking wanker.
Two more back that way.
There's two more back that way. Don't go.
There we go, 4x4 one's already left.
No, it's staying there. Road rage, isn't it?
Right, let's go.
Let's get away from it before
I need a fag and I've only got menthol.
overturned because the executive's wider authority under the Northern Ireland Act would come into play there.
And I know you're Christopher Sam, but you know, you're saying it would be extraordinary for the Health Minister.
Jesus Christ. Stay in the car. What? No, I'm just crying.